What's up everybody, it's Aaron from DS18 and today we're going to show you the exact modifications you need to do to your Jeep JL or Gladiator to get our JL soundbar to fit in there perfectly. First you're going to remove the factory panels. Make sure you mark both the tabs you want to cut so both sides are even. Then you'll need to trim the plastic bump molding completely off. Now on the same panel you'll need to flip it over. Trim it to fit the sides of the JL bar. The last step you'll need is to grind off a ½ inch of the metal tabbing on the top side of the roll bar. Now the JL soundbar will fit perfectly. So there you have it, just with those few modifications you can get your JL bar installed and playing in no time. If this was helpful, let us know in the comments below, and then also let us know what videos you'd like to see in the future. My name's Aaron from DS18 and we like it loud.